Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff from UnleashThePhones.com, and here's a quick demo of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1 from Samsung India. Yeah.
Okay, so we call this as the Galaxy Note 800, and the most interesting thing about this device is the S Pen. When you take out the S Pen, there is an automatic toolbar that pops up, and S Note, S Planner, and there are some applications which are optimized for the S Pen. The important thing about this Galaxy Note is the S Pen, which has got 1024 levels of pressure sensitivity. So when you click on the S Note and you say, let's say open a new note, then there are 8 templates that pop up. Let's go to a simple template, let's say a note template. When you go to a note template, the most important feature of this application is the productivity tools. So when you click on this productivity tools, you have a formula match, you have a shape match, you have handwriting to text. Let's see how formula match works. So if I were to simply scribble 4 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial, my handwriting is recognized by the device.
That's cool.
And if I say search, then right now it's connected to Wi-Fi, and with the help of the Wolfram Alpha search engine, it is able to give me an answer also. That's 2880.
That's very cool.
So you input anything here and you get an answer on the right hand side. So this is a very, very powerful feature. The other thing is you might want to do, let's say, a little bit of trigonometry or geometry, and you want to find out, let's say, the surface area of cube. So you say 4 by 3 pi r cube. If I remember it right, that's the formula. And then you can search. But the idea is that whether it's a pi or whether it's anything for that matter, a root of 64 multiplied by 2. Okay, so it's understanding why, no worries. So I will just convert this into 64. Here you go.
Nice.
And you say search.
Okay.
And then it will give you an answer. It's simple, I know, it's the 16 is the answer, but nonetheless the idea was to show this. Okay. So that's about the formula match. The second feature on the productivity tool is the shape match feature. When you work on the shape match feature, you draw any shape, it perfects on its own. So this is a circle, okay. This is a right angle triangle. This is a rhombus. Anything. So it just automatically corrects. You want to work on the shape, you can do that. Let's say I want to convert the circle into a pie chart. So, okay, I go to shape match again. I cut various pies. I cut another pie. I want to work on this further. I go to the S Pen and I say I want to select, let's say, a pencil, and I want a blue color, and then I can just highlight this part. So I can work on it further and take notes, make notes, and then send it.
That's great.
With the help of a share via feature. So you can share via, let's say, text only, image file, JPEG, PDF file, so on and so forth. Well, that's the, sorry, I'll go back to the note again. So that's the second thing on the productivity. The third thing on productivity is the handwriting to text. I will write something and it will automatically convert into text. So I write, let's say, hello, and it converts into text. The other important feature of this device is the split screen feature here. So the split screen feature, the way it works is you go onto the multi-screen, and there are 5 things apart from the S Note, a total of 6 that can be opened. So let's say I want to open the internet. So the internet gets opened to my right hand side, and I say I want to Google something. Let's say I want to Google some image, and let's say I want to Google maybe a Samsung image. So I say Samsung, and I say go. So all the Samsung logos might, or maybe phones might just come up. And I can take a screenshot of only one side of the screen. And how I do it, I press this button, I put a long press, and it takes a screenshot of only the right hand side.
Nice.
I can further crop this also. So I can, let's say I want this image, or let's say I want this presenting the tab 2 thingy, and I would like to resize it like this, and then I say done. So the image is there, I hold it and I drop it.
Wow.
So the image can be put from, let's say, from the web page, or from the gallery, and then you can put it here, right? So this is a very, very powerful split screen feature. Is a very powerful feature. Oh yes, you can do that. Oh, good you told me. So let's open a video player now, and let's say I want to play this video, moments of everyday life, and let's say I want to watch a video, and at the same time I want to take some notes. So I can actually do that simultaneously. But if I write from my right hand, I can just put this on my left.
Nice.
So this is another feature wherein you can swap the screens.
Okay.
Okay.
That's cool. Does this also have pop-up play like the...
Yeah. So I was about to demonstrate that.
Okay.
Now, this is a video which we are playing right now. And I want to pop this out. I will pop it.
Nice.
Right. So of course, one is that you can place the video anywhere.
Nice.
It's a floating window.
Okay.
Important thing is it goes wherever you travel. You open a new note, the video travels with you.
Okay.
The enhancement is you can pinch and zoom, and you can
nice.
You can change the size of the display window.
That's cool.
You touch the pop-up window again, and you say stop. So it goes back to the main video player. Okay, so that was about the S Note and the things. Important thing in this device is the Photoshop Touch feature, which is a very interesting feature.
Yeah, I think a lot of designers are going to love that.
Yeah, I think anybody who wants to perfect their picture.
Yeah.
Let's say you want to add a tattoo to an image. So these are some tutorials which are built in.
Okay.
I select the image. I select the image and I resize it. I tilt the image. I place the image on the shoulder of this lady. I say done. And then I want to blend it with the skin color. I say darken, and here the tattoo is on the screen. I want to change the opacity levels. I go here. I can change, or I can lighten or darken it. I have put it to about 70% opacity.
Wow, that's very cool.
So this is another feature in this device. You can add a lot of effects. So, for example, you can just go to this particular tutorial, and let's say you want to add a comic effect to your picture. You want this to be looking like an animation. All you have to do is, I'll just change the brush settings now. Put your pen or the brush this picture over, and this converts into a comic picture. You want to convert this into, let's say, black and white. You can convert this into black and white. So you can remove the colors and do it. You want to convert this picture into a sketch with the help of a pencil feature. You convert this into a sketch. So a picture has transformed it to various levels.
Yeah.
Okay. So Photoshop is again a very, very powerful feature. Apart from that, it's a very very high performance hardware which we have with 1.4 quad core, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB internal memory, expandable up to 32 GB, front dual speaker with sound alive feature.
Is this only the Wi-Fi version launching in India, or is the Wi-Fi and 3G version coming?
So this is Wi-Fi 3G with calling.
Okay.
So if you were to, let's say, make a call also, this particular thing supports calling. So you can practically make a call.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh, yeah.
You can do a video call, messaging, regular call.
Okay.
So it's Wi-Fi 3G with calling.
Cool, thanks. All right. And that is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1. Thanks a lot, guys.